From the outside, this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible may look just like any other, but it's not. The car is currently up for sale from RK Motors Charlotte, and during the course of a comprehensive overhaul by GT Graphics and Customs was outfitted with a GM 6.0 LS2 V8. This engine has been tweaked with a polished intake, a polished street and performance serpentine drive, Maxx Performance plug wires, factory-spec exhaust manifolds, a polished Be-Cool radiator, and a 4L65E 4-speed automatic transmission. The listing doesn't mention how much power the car has, but when new, the engine was good for 400 horsepower and 400 pounds-foot of torque, which is more than enough for a vehicle of this vintage. Elsewhere, this Bel Air has been painted in candy blue with silver accents and sits on a set of chrome US Mag's standards 18-inch wheels wrapped in 245/45 tires. The interior is clad in gray leather across the seats and door panels. A number of blue components are also found within, as is a vintage air conditioning system, Dakota Digital gauges, and a modern antique automobile radio designed to mimic the look of the original Wonder Bar radio. Prospective customers will be pleased to know the car has disc brakes at all four corners. The Bel Air will be sold with photos chronicling its build and will also receive a comprehensive, multi-point inspection from RK Motors. The asking price is a cool $139,900.